Still shelling out a fortune for cell service? Let's break down Mint Mobile versus Google Fi to see who comes out on top. First, coverage. Google Fi uses mobile and US cellular, so you're usually covered. Mint Mobile relies solely on mobile. Check their coverage maps for your area. Link in the description. Next, pricing. Mint Mobile shines with its prepaid bulk plans. The more months you buy upfront, the cheaper it gets. You can find a plan for as low as $15 a month. Google Fi offers flexible plans, paying for only what you use. This can be great for low data users, but can get pricey if you stream a lot. Check both carrier pricing for your average use. Features. Google Fi offers international roaming, which is great for travel. Mint Mobile is limited to calls to Canada and Mexico, but offers international calling credit purchases. Finally, customer support. While opinions vary, both services are known to have some customer support issues. Search online forums for recent customer reviews to get a feel for their current support reputation. So, which is best? Mint Mobile is budget-friendly, while Google Fi offers flexibility and international coverage. Weigh your priorities and choose the carrier that fits your lifestyle best. Now you can save a ton of money.